Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Guru. So here's a detailed guide on how to verify your identity on Guru. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Guru account. To open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com in the website. Click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your account's credentials, and once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on Login to access your dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. Once logged in, go ahead and navigate to the dashboard section. So from the main menu, you have dashboard, find work, jobs, payments. So head over to dashboard, and in the dashboard section, you have this that says not verified yet, verified, and basic member, you have upgrade. Now, right next to not verified yet, verified, go ahead and click on the verify hyperlink, and that's going to take you to the next step that we are going to follow. So now it says get your accounts verified. There are several methods that Guru offers for identity verification, and they include the contact information and current photo, government issued ID, and proof of address. So you have your ID information, and you have your credit card verification, and of course you have to review. You have to submit for review for this $4.95. So verifying is not even free. So click on start to start the process. Now enter your personal details, so continue, and current photo. So this, just go ahead and ensure that all of these are correct. Just fill out all of that details and click on continue. And once you click on continue, head over to current photo and apply or attach a current photo, and head over to, once you're done, click on next or click on continue, and you're going to be asked to provide a government issued ID. And the next step, click on continue, and you're going to be asked to provide a proof of address. Once you're done with all of that, the next step is the credit card verification. You'll be asked to enter your credit card details. And once you're done entering your credit card details, the last step is to submit for review, where you have to pay $4.95 for your verification. And once you're done completing payment and submitting for review, Guru will process. So you might receive a confirmation message indicating that your verification request is under review. And then the verification process may take some time. You receive an email notification once your identity has been verified, or if any additional information is needed. So you can periodically check the status of your verification by returning to the identity verification section in your account settings, and then look for any updates or messages regarding your verification status. So that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your identity on Guru. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.